Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of WOWOW Brass Kitchen Faucet Bridge with side sprayer for style and functionality. So let's get started. Introducing the WOWOW Brass Kitchen Faucet Bridge with side sprayer where functionality meets exquisite design. Crafted with precision and innovation, this faucet is a testament to sophistication and convenience in your culinary space. Engineered from premium brass materials, this faucet ensures durability and longevity, promising years of reliable performance in your kitchen. Its timeless bridge design adds a touch of vintage charm while seamlessly blending with contemporary aesthetics. But what truly sets this faucet apart is its side sprayer. Equipped with advanced technology, the side sprayer offers unmatched versatility, allowing you to effortlessly tackle everyday kitchen tasks with precision and ease. Whether you're rinsing vegetables, filling pots, or cleaning dishes, the WOWOW Brass Kitchen Faucet Bridge with side sprayer delivers unparalleled convenience at your fingertips. From busy weeknight dinners to leisurely weekend brunches, this faucet becomes the centerpiece of your culinary adventures, a reliable partner in creating memorable moments with your loved ones. Elevate your kitchen experience with the WOWOW Brass Kitchen Faucet Bridge with side sprayer where innovation meets elegance and every detail is crafted to perfection. This faucet boasts a classic bridge design that complements both modern and farmhouse kitchens. Made from high-density solid brass, it's built to withstand everyday wear and tear. The brushed gold finish adds a touch of elegance. But the faucet is also available in a variety of finishes to match your decor: black, brushed nickel, chrome, copper, oil-rubbed bronze, polished nickel. Here are some of the key features of the WOWOW Brass Kitchen Faucet Bridge with side sprayer. Solid brass construction ensures durability and resists rust, corrosion, and leaks. Two-handle design provides precise control over water temperature and volume. High Arc 360 swivel spout offers ample clearance for filling pots and pans and reaches all corners of your sink for easy cleaning. Pull-out side sprayer. With a push of a button, the sprayer provides a powerful stream for rinsing dishes and cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Recommended for use with cold water only. Easy installation. Includes standard hot and cold water supply hoses for a hassle-free installation. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a busy family on the go, the WOWOW Brass Kitchen Faucet Bridge with side sprayer is a perfect choice for your kitchen. Additional benefits. Available in multiple finishes to match your kitchen decor, classic bridge design complements a variety of kitchen styles, provides superior functionality for everyday kitchen tasks, durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Invest in quality and style with the WOWOW Brass Kitchen Faucet Bridge with side sprayer. Consider adding a call to action at the end, such as visit our website to learn more, or find a retailer near you. Elevate your kitchen experience with a faucet that not only meets your functional needs but also enhances the overall aesthetics of your culinary haven. Thanks for joining us on Home Haven. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cooking!